What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate chocolate chip cookies. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups gold medal all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup coarsely chopped nuts, if desired. Number 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Set aside the flour, baking soda, and salt in a small mixing bowl. Number 2. In a large mixing bowl, beat softened butter and sugars with an electric mixer on medium speed for 1 minute, or mix with a spoon for 1 minute, scraping down the side of the bowl occasionally. Number 3. Mix in the egg and vanilla extract until smooth. Just until combined, stir in the flour mixture. Dough will be stiff. Combine the chocolate chips and nuts in a mixing bowl. Number 4. Drop dough by rounded tablespoonfuls 2 inches apart onto ungreased cookie sheets. Number 5. 8 to 10 minutes, or until light brown, centers will be soft. Allow to cool for 2 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Allow to cool completely, about 30 minutes. Keep covered in an airtight container. Pro tips: bake cookies on the middle oven rack for best results. It's best to bake 1 sheet at a time for even baking. The best cookie sheets are made of shiny aluminum with a smooth surface and no sides. They reflect heat, allowing cookies to bake evenly and brown properly. Rimmed baking sheets are great for a variety of uses, but not for baking cookies. To ensure baking success, measure ingredients precisely using the appropriate measuring equipment for the ingredient being measured. To achieve the best results, combine the ingredients in the order specified. The best way to measure flour is to stir it a little before spooning it into the measuring cup. Fill to the brim, then use the flat edge of a butter knife to sweep the excess off the top. To make cleanup easier, line flat cookie sheets with parchment paper. Allow plenty of space between the dropped dough so the cookies don't collide as they spread. There is a lot of baking science that goes into what makes a soft, chewy cookie as opposed to a crisp, crunchy cookie. The ratio and type of sugars used, the amount of butter or shortening used, and the amount of flour added all make a difference. To make uniformly shaped cookies, use a 1-inch meat baller, or a cookie, ice cream scoop. To make jumbo cookies, scoop the dough with a measuring cup or cookie, ice cream scoop. Bake until the edges are set, about 3 inches apart, centers will be soft. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.